The morning of the blizzard. Beautiful sunrise. Well, it's just now starting to snow. It's 3:50. It's been snowing for 2.5 hours. We only have about 1.5 inches of snow at this point. Coming down steady though. Snow's picking up. Wow. I can feel the blizzard coming. This is round 2 of snow shoveling. Looks to be about 6 or 7 inches. It's 5:30 a.m. Saturday morning. Looks to be at least a foot of snow, maybe more. That's more than a foot. Wow. Plows can hardly go. I'm going to shovel a path out on the deck so Shadow has a place to go. Well, I uncovered the fire hydrant here, so in an emergency, the fire department can see where to go. Noon Saturday, and we're definitely experiencing blizzard conditions now. I gotta go measure the depth of this. How deep is it?
27.
Wow. It's coming down like crazy out here. I don't know why I'm out here. I'm gonna be shoveling a little bit more snow, I guess. It's treacherous out here. Well, for the 4th time, I shoveled off the driveway. It's still snowing hard. When is it gonna stop? Okay, let's see how deep the snow is. A little over 2 feet. Let me see if I get it in a little straighter here. It's 5:30 p.m. on Saturday, the day of the blizzard. Still snowing hard. Hi, Shadow.
It's still coming down. I can see Randy taking pictures out of the French door. Okay, you guys have a great evening.
Beautiful day. Still below freezing. The spruce tree that we planted in memory of my mother looks amazing. Got almost 30 inches of snow. All right, I got to get to work now. Hey. Car got damaged in the rear end, probably from a plow, maybe trying to push it out. Well, we got a little bit of clearing here.